Okay, what I have on the screen here is a radial part with multiple instances of features that wrap around this cylinder. And this is really easy to machine. You just machine one set of features and then we'll do a radial instance which would copy it all the way around. The same machining setup for 4-axis. Excuse me. We have it set to manual definition. We have the number of axes set to 4 axes. It's a table rotation, just like in the previous part. And then the rotational axis extends along the positive Y direction. If you see here, you'll see that the green arrow extends in the positive X direction. Okay? Now what we do to machine this is, all we have to do is machine one set of features. So you'll see we just created a mop set, and you can, we did our facing, some more facing, profiling, chamfering, drilling, and countersinking. So let's go ahead and simulate this, and let's turn the part toolpaths off. Let's slow this down a little bit, and let's play. That was really fast. Let's slow down that some more. Okay, let's go into the machining preferences. Okay, let's take a look at, okay, that's fine. Okay. So now we have one set of features machined, okay, or defined. And what we're going to do next is we're going to add a rotary instance operation, and you'll find that from 4-axis, and you'll go to rotary instancing, and this is where you set up your angle of rotations, how many you want. Let's take a look at the one we have here. We have incremental rotation angle is 60 degrees, so you're gonna have a set of features every 60 degrees. It's gonna fill the entire 360 degree area of the part, and then you can tell it whether to go counterclockwise or clockwise, and the number of rotations is 6. Okay, so we'll have 6 instances going around this part. And then after you define that, all you have to do is just drag and drop your operations down in to this rotary instance program folder. Let's take a look at the operations, and you'll see that it automatically created all of the instances required to program this part or to machine this part. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, it looks like it repeated that last one. Let's take that one out. Let's do any 5 instances and generate. Okay. Let's go ahead and simulate that real quick again. There we go. So we got all 6 instances programmed. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like when we post it out. So let's go ahead and post the rotary instance folder. There we go. So let's take a look at the top of the part. Let's scroll up to the top. You'll see that we have instance 1, and that is the first set of operations that we programmed. This would be the setup here, and then we're going to look for each instance. That's instance 1. We'll just do a search, find. Okay. So there's our instance 1. With the second operation, you're going to have an instance 1 for each one of the operations in the group. So let's just go through those real quick. Okay, so here's your instance 2. the same sub operations, instance 3, etc., all the way through the part. Okay, let's move on to the next topic.